Make this one kind of quick because of the fact that I don't want to run over and run out of video again. This is my Christmas. It's I know it's not Christmas time or even moderately close to it, but since I had found out about mine, I gave my wife hers, because hers is a combination birthday and Christmas present, which is the Nexus 7 that I did the review on already. This is a Black Friday special, and it's not your Snap-on or anything like that, but right now my toolbox is the back of my Tahoe, and it's not a very attractive toolbox. Everything's just kind of scattered. So, remember what I said about everything being inside each other?
Yeah.
I think that's a problem.
It's a Russian, one of them Russian egg things, isn't it?
Exactly. I don't know what price check out of here tonight. And of course, all these boxes are as cheaply made as they can possibly be. Of course. That only helps unwrap it. Maybe that'll help it burn up a little faster too. But I've got some other boxes and such I need to burn over there.
Same, same Stanley ratchet, right?
Yeah. Well, I've got another Stanley set that I've had since like 2000. That's in my Tahoe right now.
This one, Stanley for a while. Pretty good little ratchet. Want some help there, man?
They got the top box inside the bottom box. Yeah, like I said, one of them eggs.
Yep, there's the wheels.
Nothing in them. Alrighty then.
Yeah. Okay, how do we go about this? Let's see. I'm going to do what Jim does not do, okay? As he's whipping out his knife, he's going to stab the shit out of me. Okay, these are called instructions. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, recommended two-person assembly, lift off. Ah, no, you got to take it apart, man. Look. You got to pop some these little clips out of here. And that slides off of your top box. That's pretty badass. That's clever. I'll give him that. Man. I think it slides, literally slides out the bottom. Now, I wouldn't have even thought about that.
Okay.
Let's see. Work chest. Remove 4 screws from base and discard screws. Well, yeah.
You can take them out with your fingers. And I'm not discarding them. I can use those again. Those are square lock bolts. That might even come handy putting that winch on.
Yeah, I'm sure these are somewhat below grade 0 though.
Oh yeah, probably. Probably they tell you to discard them.
Yeah.
Don't rely on these for nothing.
Assembly required.
Well, you can say that on the box anywhere. You can see
Well, assembly is disassembly. Okay.
that. No, disassemble number 5.
Alright, let's see, what do we pick it up? Top? Yep. Some day.
Yeah, not a whole lot of weight to it. This was already coming out.
Well, in that key.
Shut up.
Hey dude, you gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, I've never had an actual toolbox. There's a lock and bar and key.
Mm-hmm. Just hop over here, or is it locked?
I know, why don't you read your fucking handy dandy instructions?
Well, the lock bar's not in there. Once you've got a key, use the key to open this part. Hey, that would be my guess, seeing as how this is not operated.
Not like that's gonna be a hard key to.
Yeah. There to keep honest people honest.
I thought we were gonna keep dishonest people happy. Silly me.
Foam dammits, what are they for?
Probably roll slots. Got a picture in here. Now they go on the bottom of this to keep it from sliding off of that.
Ah.
Now then. This sounds like tools. Since there's nothing in the drawers, I can only assume that this is where I get screwed on the tools. Because it's not that heavy either. So whatever tools are in here ain't much.
Oh, I don't know. It's got to be, I mean, that same ratchet. Looked like it, according to the picture on the box.
No, I'm talking about as far as how much actual tools are in here.
Well, I mean, pretty good starter set of sockets.
That's the problem, I keep starting. When the hell am I going to finish the collection?
Oh, yeah, isn't that neat?
Yay.
Yay, hell. It's nice. It is extruded for vacuum formed plastic, but still, pretty darn neat.
Well, at least one drawer of my tools
You
is
only fit
staying
in
put.
one drawer, yeah, but that's all right.
I know, I've got enough, I could fill probably about 6 of these in the back of my Tahoe.
Yeah, but I mean, that's cool to keep them running, keep them ready to go.
Do your thing, Vanna.
Yeah.
No 16. That's my pet peeve.
Yeah, well, Volkswagen's the only one that, or Volkswagen and Audi is the only one that uses 16.
There's a couple 16 bolts on the Chevrolets too.
Really? I didn't see one. The 16 millimeters 5/8, so.
Or, yeah.
But that's pretty neat, man.
3/8 and a quarter.
Well, I think quite will fit.
Just gonna have to go in the
Big bottom
deeper
box.
drawer.
Or the top.
And just throw other crap around it.
Yeah. Well, there you go. It's pretty neat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gotta move the 4 screws from the base and discard. Those are the 4 screws that the direction we're talking about. Then that goes on the bottom of this. And you attach the wheels to it.
Oh, yummy.
Right, Phillips?
Yep, big Phillips.
Hang on. I got you
All the neatness of the tools just went right out the window. Tip it up and hear them rattle, 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 rattle as they roll down the.
Yeah, all roll out of the slots and everything, yeah. Hate it when that happens.
I can tell.
Here, I'll hold this and focus on that.
There's a few more.
Of course, once you get the, you probably would have behooved you to take the bottom ones out, but.
Bottom what?
Never mind. Just flip it over. You know that thing will slide off when you do that, so you have these handles here. There you go. Still. Yeah, you can just keep that in your damn bedroom next to your desk, man.
I know, right?
You can be fixed by a wrench. Okay, so what is that, 7/16? Shit. Oh, you know what? Maybe not. Because you got all these, which are the same damn thing. But, so that's your base. Yeah, then you just mount these bad boys in here like thusly.
Alright.
They're all shiny chrome. Cool.
Yeah, guess how long that's gonna last. Till it gets wet.
I'm gonna say, I don't exactly leave it outside or anything.
I don't exactly have a hermetically sealed shop like you do either.
I ain't hermetically sealed yet. It's getting close though. Up in more here. Yeah, I'll tell you what.
Only because you neglected to put the plastic on before you put the wood on.
Well, no, I put the plastic on where I needed it. I'm not building a house here, I'm building a workshop, but
Somebody must have forgot to tell you that when you decided to put insulation in it, thinking up to heat a warehouse.
well, yeah, but for what we got there, being a pole barn at its core,
Yeah.
you know, and I'm gonna spray acrylic sealer on it, so on that siding.
You just can't let me mess with your teeth, can you?
Of course not. Yeah, don't let him kid you. He'll lead you to believe like, you know, I'm some kind of, you know, got bucks master over here that just threw this barn up. We've been working on this thing for 3 years. $1 at a time.
When I was a kid, I started building a barn.
Yeah. Well. This is what Sensei meant when he said patience, grasshopper. Lesson in patience. I have no patience. I don't either. It's a miracle I'm not broke. What am I saying? I am broke.
Broke in?
Well, broken, yeah. So.
Yeah, you're just slightly damaged that way.
Yeah. Well, you're still recording.
Yep. I just started it again.
Oh.
Like I said, it only lasts 10 minutes.
You got enough memory?
16 gig card, I can start that thing until it burns up. Wouldn't want to miss all the picky little things we wind up saying.
Yeah, I can just imagine. Wait and see what this video is going to be like.
Well, I got
I sit there and try and do mine, and I'm like, Dad, this is my shit, Dad.
I got the Sony Vegas Pro 11 on my other desktop now, so
I just don't think I have a voice for film and television.
well, I sure as heck don't. I just get on there and say heck with it and do the best I can with it. Some people like it, some people don't. Ones that don't tell me so. Shit.
Yeah, you know, I only had, I have one comment on Facebook. I posted the video on Facebook of that, and one comment on the YouTube channel, and then yours today.
Yeah, and that comment was from one of my subscribers.
One of your subscribers, yeah, because I didn't recognize him.
Yeah, Wrecking Car 72. He's actually runs a junkyard. He's a big Dodge fan.
Well,
He likes the old Dodge Wreckers and Power Wagons.
man, things with them old 383 Magnums and 440s, they're hard to beat them old trucks. Because in 440s it outruns damn 454 Chevy any day. Because you try to line that 454 Chevy up, first thing he does is damn bust the damn push rod. And that's no slight on Chevy. I mean, that's a bitchin' motor, but just saying out of the box.
I really cared for 454. I know it's like their beefiest and supposed to be their baddest muscle motor out there, but I was always more concerned with speed and less with low end torque.
Yeah, that was my thing. See, you build a small block 350 or even a small block 400, but you know, you had, well, this is before the days of diesels and Duramax and all that. You know, you had a damn motorhome or you had a you know, big work truck. That 454 was the best thing to have.
Because that's when you need it.
That was a stump pulling motor, man.
See, I never did anything like that as a kid.
Yes.
Breaking out the air tools. No.
Somewhere around here, I got that little impact laying around. What do I do with it?
Oh, wow. I should come in my wallet here.
I got a hole in this.
No wonder you're broke.
pockets. Yeah.
Just throwing credit cards and debit cards everywhere.
Falling out everywhere.
Let's just
Yeah,
keep
remember
honest
these?
people honest.
Remember in these pants, I got yeah. Most people else.
By the way,
Huh.
got a kit on its way that I can sell that monitor.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah,
That's cool.
new power board for it. It's like $30.
Is that what it is? It's bad on it?
That's the only thing I saw that could be bad on it. Of course, you know my luck. It could be anything.
Well, yeah. Fuck that. This should take too long. There you go.
Yeah, it's not gonna go so good in the yard.
Yeah, well, I don't think it was intended to be used out in the yard.
Yeah, we're gonna have to restructure it.
Oh, here, hang on.
Put me
Got
some.
just the thing.
Oh, your big bubbly wheels. Actually, I was thinking of those,
The ones with the air tires on them,
Yeah.
big balloons. They have a locking bar in there. Let's see. I got. You're supposed to lube those rails up.
oh really?
You know.
I might know that had I read the instructions.
Yeah, no, I got a need for it. So you use white grease or WD-40?
Okay.
White grease would be a little messy because I don't have a tube for that. The tube don't fit on it. But I think you will. quick blast in there. And then all I need to do is run back and forth on there. Try to figure it out.
Yep, one of these days my little toolbox will grow up to be big on my yours too. Ah. Well, it's a God thing, it has to.
Well, yeah. See, I only give like $185 for that whole thing. Because I bought them brand new at Sears like 10 years ago. They couldn't find the keys, and this was missing, and that was missing, and bolts were missing, and it's a display model. And they gave me 10% off at first, and then another 20%, then they went and found something else and tried to find it, and gave me another 10 or 20%. $400 worth of tool chest I got.
So which Sears was it that you bought? Wow.
Yeah, like I said, that's been about 10 years ago. See, that'll work its way around off those tracks. Set of sockets though. Stanley makes good stuff.
I've got other Stanley stuff, and yeah, they do, but this whole rolling. Of course, this will be a sitting still kind of.
What you need to do is just set this inside your little mini shed over there, and keep it protected. And just, I mean, you can't put shit in its place if it doesn't have a place. So
This is true. Now, I was actually kind of hoping it was a little bigger than that, so I could put the.
for guys, we always hope it's a little bigger than that. Catch me at the rhyme and I'm a riot. So I wonder.
Oh, it's supposed to be fun buildings.
Oh, so I guess you just drop it down in there. It doesn't lift the drawer or anything. Does it? How's that work?
Oh no, you read the instructions. Doesn't mean you know anything. Now, actually, I had a set of black Stanley sockets. Somebody kind of helped me out of.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Never got to use them. Not once.
Another slide over here. I guess this is just keep it when you're not having the doors locked. It's not a very substantial lock, but it's all right.
Well, for my first rolling toolbox, I don't guess it's too awful bad.
Nah. Hey, that was a Christmas gift, dude. Hey, it's all good.
I kind of put a button somewhere over it, so.
Well, look at it this way, man. If you were to buy the equivalent of all that, you just basically bought the sockets and got the tools or the toolbox for free.
What's that?
All the little sockets are
Balls.
they're handy to have those.
And they're a pain in the ass when they start rolling everywhere. See, that's what I liked about and how I managed to wind up keeping my black toolbox of Stanley tools as long as I have.
Uh-huh. You're about out of battery here, brother.
That's all right. Let it run out. I got another battery on me. That's how I roll.
Well, there you go. by the way, I used the last of them staples. I'll have to get you some more.
We went over this the last time we borrowed it.
Oh, you know, nail it, stapler, nail it, whatever.
I got a whole other box. I got a ton of them at the house, so don't even worry about it.
Ah. Okie dokie.
All right, ladies and gents, second show is not the same as the first. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.